Well, it's the 19th of October. It's a Saturday afternoon, and we have a beautiful weekend for October. Temperatures in the 70s during the day. They cool off at night into the upper 40s to low 50s. You really can't beat it. There's some areas in the higher elevations that are staying in the 60s, but for many of us, temperatures are quite comfortable. Now, we're going to talk about this for a couple of days here, but then we're going to look at Halloween and maybe surprise. So if you hang on to the video, you might see it. So this is Sunday afternoon's temperatures. You can see 60s in the higher elevations in northern areas, but out in the western part of the state, south central, southeastern New Jersey, and Delaware, temperatures get into the 70s, and there's no precipitation. And it's literally a broken record on Monday, the 21st. Maybe a couple of degrees warmer for everybody, but again, no precipitation. And temperature is very comfortable, very spring-like, fall-like, whatever you want to call it for this time of year. So enjoy. So quickly, I want to move ahead to Halloween. Yeah, please remember, we're talking about a time period that's right now 11 days away, which is the 30th, the morning of the 30th, the day before Halloween. And these are your morning temperatures of around 7 o'clock. You can see for the most part, everybody's in their 30s, maybe a holdout here or there in Western PA into the lower 40s. But as we go through the daytime hours, you can see this is in the afternoon. You can see temperatures in the eastern part here stay in the 30s, 30s up here, 40s in between. Basically, there's a storm supposedly off the coast. This is around 8 o'clock in the evening on the 30th, the day before, and you can see temperatures have dropped down to freezing early and in the 30s still in Jersey. And then as we go to the overnight hours, here's around 7 o'clock in the morning on Halloween. Temperatures 20s across a lot of areas, 30s elsewhere, and maybe around 40 in Delaware. But as we go during the day, you can see this cold air hangs around. This is 8 o'clock in the evening on Halloween, right there. So what we want to do is we want to change our map here to show precipitation. And we're going to back this up a little bit. Now you can see the reason for a lot of this cold or colder temperatures is because there is some precipitation around. Now this is the Wednesday time period. You can see there's some heavier rains here going in Jersey. That's why their temperatures were colder than Western PA, and then some snow up here towards Hunter Mountain. But then you got to watch what happens. As the storm off the coast goes by, it creates its cold air. It drops wet snow down, and this is early morning of the 30th before Halloween, the day before Halloween. And then this takes you to around 7 o'clock in the morning on Wednesday the 30th. And you can see that snow would move into Jersey and off the coast. What it would mean if this were to happen, and again, long way away, would mean some snow in eastern PA and in New Jersey. Not saying this has happened, so don't criticize. I'm just saying the GS model popped this up today, and I thought, you know what? Boring. The weather's boring right now. It's sunny. There's no precipitation. It's very beautiful weather. So let's show something that most of the time doesn't happen, but it'd be interesting if you're a snow lover and you're looking for this. And this wouldn't be unusual for the snow for Halloween. It's happened before. But again, let's just take it for a grain of salt. All right, this is Fred. I'll be back on Monday, and take it easy and be safe.